I am Kathavachak, the storyteller.
I am Kathavachika and welcome to the realm of Katha.
And welcome to the realm of Katha.
I am Kathavachika and welcome to the realm of Katha. Today's Katha is about a small boy Amir who used to live with his grandmother. Amir's parents had passed away a few years back, and his grandmother used to work in the other's house or stitch clothes to earn money. Every year, Amir used to religiously keep rozas and wait for Eid, as a grand fair was organized in their village every year on the occasion of festival Eid. That year also, Amir kept all the rozas, and he and his friends went to mosque to offer prayers on the day of Eid. From the mosque, all of them started towards the fair. Every kid got some money from their parents to spend and enjoy in the fair. Some got 1 rupee, some got 2 rupees. Amir's grandmother was able to afford only 9 paisa. But Amir was happy with it. With all his friends and in full excitement, he went to the fair. When he reached the fair, his eyes remained wide open. It was like heaven on earth. There were so many shops. Some kids ran in one direction, some kids ran in other direction. The first shop that Amir saw was of a cloth merchant. There were so many things. Some kids were buying a cap, some were buying a kurta. Looking at the condition of his old cap, Amir also wanted to buy a new one. But he had something else in his mind, and he went ahead. After going a few steps ahead, Amir saw a sweet shop. There were so many different types of sweets there. There were rasgullas, barfis, rasmalai. Looking at those, Amir's mouth started watering. He just wanted to grab one rasgulla and eat it in a one go. But then he just closed his eyes and moved ahead. When he went a few steps further, he saw one more shop. It was a toy shop. It was a dream of every child. There were every type of toys there. There were cars, there were trains. Amir really wanted to buy the toy. But then he remembered and tightened his grip on his 9 paisa and moved forward. He roamed around the fair looking for what he really wanted, and finally he saw it. He saw it on a blacksmith's shop. After a lot of bargaining, he finally got the thing he wanted, grabbed it in his hand and ran towards his home. When Amir reached home, his grandmother started asking all sorts of questions, like what he ate, how many games he played, have he spent all his money on one thing, and so on and so forth. Shyly, Amir put his hand ahead and showed her what he was holding. It was a tong. Seeing the tong, Amir's grandmother got really angry and she started beating him. She said, "How can you spend my hard-earned money on this piece of junk? I gave you that money to enjoy, but all you bought is this." And she was beating him black and blue. Amir was crying, and very slowly and shyly he said, "Grandmother, this is for you, because your hand always gets burned when you bake bread on the fire." Listening to this, Amir's grandmother got very emotional and she dropped down on her knees. She started praying to Allah. Seeing his grandmother like this, Amir got very confused. He asked her, "Grandmother, why were you crying?" His grandmother smiled and said, "I was just thanking Allah for giving me you as a gift." So this was today's Katha. We will keep bringing such interesting stories to you. Until then, Namaste.